Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to take advantage of the Ledger limited edition merge pack. So let's get started. I'm here on the ledger.com homepage, and as you can see, they're featuring this limited edition merge pack. Now, this is in celebration of the Ethereum merge, which just occurred, and they want to reward people that are holding Ethereum in their own wallets. So the bundle consists of a Ledger Nano X hardware cryptocurrency wallet, which is their flagship cryptocurrency wallet, and they're also bundling a Bill Fodl metal medium, which allows you to back up your 24-word backup phrase in a secure and robust format. It's much better than writing it down on a piece of paper because the Bill Fodl is fireproof, waterproof, and will last much longer than a piece of paper. So if you want both of these products bundled together with a 20% discount, you need to confirm your Ethereum wallet. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Basically, we'll just go over to the Shop Now button. We'll just click this button here and it'll drop us down to the connection page. And you can see here that it's almost a $50 discount on the full price of the bundle. And so what we need to do is connect our wallet. So we'll just click Connect Wallet, and they give us two options here. I'm going to show you how to do it in MetaMask. We can just click the MetaMask button, and your MetaMask wallet will pop up. And if you have a MetaMask wallet set up, you can just click Next and Connect, and then you've successfully connected your wallet. Now, if you have never used MetaMask, I have a great video on getting MetaMask set up and connected to your Ledger device. I'll put a link to that up in the corner. But if you'd like to use the Ledger address on your Ledger device, it's pretty easy to connect a hardware wallet to MetaMask. So we'll just go ahead and do that first. We'll click on MetaMask, and then we'll click up here in the top right corner, and we're going to choose Connect Hardware Wallet. All right, it's going to take us over to this page. Now, before we make this connection, we want to get our device ready to go. So you'll need to have the device connected to your computer, and you'll need to have the PIN entered. All right, in addition to having the device connected and the PIN entered, you'll also want to make sure that you are in the Ethereum app before you attempt this connection. So all you have to do is navigate over to the Ethereum app on your device and click both buttons. Once you're in the Ethereum app, you'll be able to make this connection to MetaMask. So we'll just click Ledger here, and then we'll choose Continue, and we'll get this connection window up here. We'll click on the device and choose Connect. On this screen, you can see the Ethereum addresses of your Ledger device. I'm using more than one address, but you can choose any address that you want. I'm going to go ahead and just choose the address that I have some Ethereum stored in here. We'll click Unlock. And then now we've got a Ledger-based MetaMask account. Once you've got that account active in MetaMask, you can go back and do that Ledger connection if you would like to use the Ethereum address of your Ledger device. So once again, we'll click Connect Wallet. We'll choose MetaMask. And then it's connected to my Ethereum wallet. It's confirmed that I control an Ethereum address. We'll click Add to Cart. And so you can see after I made that wallet connection that I have that discounted price for this product bundle, the Ledger Nano X hardware wallet, and the Bill Fodl metal backup device. So if you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.